Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the Google Chrome browser that has been updated to a new version. So if you go into Chrome and upper right corner and you go to three vertical dots and go to Help and About Google Chrome, version number 138.0, that's 7204.100 or 101, depending on Linux, Mac, or Windows. Now, that's interesting because it does say that there's been an update. There's mostly been an update for, I guess, maybe some fixes or some changes in the browser itself, but there's no security updates. They don't mention any security updates of any kind. So it doesn't seem like there is anything security this week, or at least for now, as of today, Tuesday, July the 8th. So I'm not sure if that will go through and have anything to do with an update eventually for Edge and other Chromium browsers at the same time. Maybe some of the fixes or the changes affect other browsers too. But at least the good news, nothing in security. So that means that things seem to be pretty good on that side this week. But we did have a critical 0-day flaw the last time, so that was an important one to do. So nothing special to report on a Google Chrome browser update this week. It's just going to update on itself, and if you don't do anything, you will have that update go through at some point in the next few hours and days. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.